How to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok's sign in page. Here, click on use phone, email, or username at the top. Click on username or email at the top. Then type in your username and press on continue at the bottom. Now, it will ask you for your password. Press on need help logging in. Recover your account. After you've pressed on recover your account, you'll find this kind of screen. Select your account, or you can simply add your username and press on search. Press on email. Press on need help. Press on request support. After you've clicked on request support, you can simply type in your issue in here. You're not able to access your email or phone number and you need to recover your account. And TikTok will get back to you and solve your issue. Another thing which you can also do is open Chrome and search TikTok feedback form. You'll find TikTok report a problem. Click on it. There, select an option. Click on account access. Category, login issue. Type in your username, sign up date, your country and city, your email or phone number, device used to log in, your linked accounts, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, your additional information. You can add your contact email. Additional details, you can type in, I need to recover my account without email or phone number. Please help me. And click on the button at the bottom. Press on submit. TikTok will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.